Welcome. If you're looking for a way to mute Pinterest chat notifications for a whole week, you're in the right place. Whether you need a break from constant pings or just want some peace and quiet, I'll walk you through the latest steps to mute any Pinterest chat for 7 days, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap the inbox icon. This is where all your messages and chats are stored.
Now scroll through your list of conversations and select the chat you want to mute. Maybe it's a group chat that's been extra active, or just a friend who loves to send pins at all hours. Tap on that chat to open it.
At the top right corner of the chat screen, you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu button. Tap those 3 dots to open up more options for this conversation. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Notification. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can control how and when you get alerts from this chat. You'll see a few choices for muting notifications. To mute the chat for 1 week, simply select Mute for 1 week from the list. Once you tap it, notifications from this chat will be silenced for the next 7 days. You won't get any pop-ups, sounds, or badges from this conversation. Just uninterrupted time to focus on what matters most to you. And that's it. You've successfully muted a Pinterest chat for 1 week. If you ever want to unmute it sooner, just follow these steps again and turn notifications back on. This feature is perfect for managing busy group chats, taking a break from social media, or just keeping your digital life a little more peaceful. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your favorite apps. See you next time.